Hello, and welcome to Investigative Math. Today, we will be learning how to multiply any two two-digit numbers in your head. So let's get to it. For our first example, we have 72 times 16. The first step is to multiply the ones digits. 2 times 6 is 12, and so we have to write a 2 and carry a 1. Next, multiply the inner digits, and then multiply the outer digits, and add them. So for this question, 2 times 1 is 2, 7 times 6 is 42, so we add those, which is 44. Also, remember we have this carried 1, so 44 plus 1 is 45, so we write a 5 and carry a 4. And for the last step, multiply the tens digits. 7 times 1 is 7, plus our carried 4 is 11, so 72 times 16 is 1,152. To recap, first, multiply the ones digits. 2 times 6 is 12, so we write a 2 and carry a 1. Next, multiply your inner digits, your outer digits, and then add them. So for this, 2 times 1 is 2, and 7 times 6 is 42. So 2 plus 42 is 44, plus our carried 1 is 45. So we write our 5 and carry a 4. And then finally, multiply the tens digits. 7 times 1 is 7, plus our carried 4 is 11. So 72 times 16 is 1,152. Okay, so for our next example, we have 24 times 51. Again, our first step is to multiply the ones digits. 4 times 1 is 4, so we write a 4. Next, multiply the inner digits, the outer digits, and then add them. 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 20 plus 2 is 22. We don't have anything to carry, so we write a 2 and carry our 2. And then lastly, multiply your tens digits. 2 times 5 is 10, plus your carried 2 is 12, so 24 times 51 is 1,224. To recap, first, multiply the ones digits. 4 times 1 is 4, so we write a 4 and we don't have anything to carry. Next, multiply the inner digits, then multiply the outer digits and add them. 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 20 plus 2 is 22. So we write a 2 and carry a 2. Then, multiply the tens digits. 2 times 5 is 10, plus our carried 2 is 12, so 24 times 51 is 1,224. And that does it for multiplying any two two-digit numbers. Now that you have an idea of how to do this kind of question, I have provided a problem set in the description of this video for you to try a couple for yourself. If you need me to clarify anything for you, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, leave a like, and if you really loved it, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you later.